Guys, welcome to the review for the Hebrew midterm. I just posted it. This is Friday. You're welcome to print this out and take it several times, a practice test. You can look at it before you actually take it. So what I want you to do is to write out the Hebrew alphabet. Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zion, Het, Tet, Yud, Kop, Lamed, Mem, Nun, Samek, Ayin, Pei, Sadi, Kof, Resh, Sin, Shin, Tav. So you can use all these lines. See if you can get the ones that go above the line and below the line right. So that should be straightforward. This chart I've updated, and so if you go back to Study Guide 1, and if you re-download it, it will have the charts and the different things, but it will have this exact chart. So what I'm looking for you to be able to write is in this historically long, Komet Hey, Sarah Yod, Hirik Yod, Holam Vav, and Sharuk, then the long vowels, Komet, Saray. Don't worry about the long Hirik. This is people who class it here. This is defectively written. Holam, Kibbutz. Don't worry about writing these two. The short vowels, Patha, Segol, Hirik, Kamet Satuf, and the short U, Kibbutz there, and then the half vowels. So some people don't put the Shva is a true half. So I put the footnote there, but just for the sake of this chart, we'll do that. And then I tried to put here the closest approximation as I could. And so maybe that will help you as you work through that. So when we go back to the midterm, so all the historically longs are vowel letters. This is Komet's Saray, don't worry about that. Holam, don't worry about that. The shorts are Patha, Segol, Hirik, Holam, Kibbutz, and then the Hatef, the half vowels. So that should be straightforward. And then the vocabulary, I tried to take out all the duplicates. I may not have gotten them all. I tried to fix the problem with Bain and Ben. If there are any other problems, you can email and let me know, and I'll try to fix that before you actually take the test. I think there are 96 here now. You should be good to go with that. So the forms, just take the word sus, horse. So sus, susa, susaim, susthaim, susim, susoth. The definite article is just hey with the patha and the doubling dagesh. The perfect, you don't have to write the feminine form, so we'll count this as the common form. The imperfect, and then short answer, what are the begag fats, list them out, and then what's the significance if they have the dot, if they don't have the dot. What are the gutturals? What are the final forms? List both the regular forms and the final forms. Explain what a Dagesh forte is, Dagesh line. On this, what is the call? Nifal, Piel, Pual, Hifil, Hofal, Hitpael. Explain what a perfect is, what an imperfect is. And then the last part, I'm not expecting you to get this perfect, but just show me what you understand. And, if you recognize that they're plurals, and or if you can translate it, or if you can translate it and make observations, all that will be helpful. And so we'll do Genesis 1:1-5, and do the first 2 verses of the 10 Commandments. And I think you're going to do really well. If you have any kind of question, go ahead and email me. Looking forward to grading your papers, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. So thanks.